let's get into it. The long advertised storm is moving closer. It has winter storm warnings in pink that extend from Minnesota to the Dakotas down toward Missouri and Illinois. We also have winter storm warnings in the Carolinas for what could be a very big ice storm. Winter storm watches run from Arkansas through Tennessee, a good chunk of central eastern Kentucky, then all the way up to New England. So what we're looking at is a system that we've been talking about as being complex. Actually got more complex today. We're throwing in some upper level features that are adding to, well, the potpourri of weather. Snow, sleet, freezing rain, and truthfully, some folks may get nothing out of this. It is a possibility. And finally, snow's going to be wetter than we saw a week ago Thursday. It'll be more of a snowman snow, assuming that we get it, and we should get a decent chance for that. Not the powdery stuff that we saw, because temperatures will be warmer. You will not wake up this tomorrow morning. You will not wake up to this Sunday morning. This is going to be the latter part of Sunday into Sunday night. The reason for the complexity is we are seeing a good part of track one come to fruition, where there's going to be a slug of warm air coming up along the west side of the mountains. And as that happens, you put a layer of warm air aloft and it changes the precipitation type. When it's all cold, life's easy. It's all snow. We like that. When you start getting a thin layer of warm air coming in, this is about a mile up. If it's thin, it has a chance to refreeze on the way down, but it does not turn back to a snowflake. It turns into an ice pellet. That's sleet. When the warm air aloft is thicker and closer to the ground, it falls as rain and then freezes on surfaces. That's freezing rain. Nobody likes that. And finally, we see where it's just warm enough all the way to the ground and it's just plain rain. So you're going to see all the pretty colors here on the map. We go from 11 o'clock this evening. Our aforementioned area of low pressure comes across Oklahoma, headed toward Arkansas and Mississippi. Tomorrow morning, we could see a few snow showers, flurries. It's not going to be a big deal. Don't expect really anything to stick out of this. By tomorrow evening, a little bit of a reprieve as the storm gathers down here to the south and, in fact, begins to send off a secondary low. But we're going to watch that area of low pressure come north. And again, there is your potpourri, the rain, the freezing rain, the snow, as again, you mix some warmer temperatures aloft. But by Sunday mid-afternoon into the late afternoon, the dynamics begin to take over with this system. And when that happens, you chill the entire column and we go back over to all snow with this. And that's when we should see the bulk of our accumulation. And that is a little system that arrives here on Monday. So here are the numbers. To the north and west of Lexington, it's going to be pretty much all snow, but there's also a chance of a really sharp gradient where there may not be much of anything. And with that, but we're still going with the 1 to 3 average. Lexington, the surrounding areas, and going up to the northeast as well as to the southwest toward Campbellsville, 2 to 5. You'll mix some sleet in there as well. South of that, you are looking at that 4 to 8 inch band. The reason why we've got the higher number there, even though there's going to be more of a mix, there's just going to be more stuff falling. And so we should get to those 4 to 8 inch snow numbers. Then it's a real mess across the south and southeast. Pick your poison on what falls out of the sky, because it'll probably be a little bit of everything. We're showing you the European ensembles yesterday. And this is just giving you a percentage chance of certain thresholds. And with that, greater than 3 inches, we still have a 3/4 chance, Lexington and Danville. That also means there's a 1/4 chance that we don't get to that 3 inch threshold. Southern, southeastern Kentucky, again, it's a pretty good bet. As you get to the higher amounts, the percentages go down, and they go down pretty quickly. For tonight, mainly cloudy. It's kind of raw out there, a little patchy fog, kind of hazy. We're in the upper 20s. Tomorrow, variable clouds, snow showers and flurries. Little, if any, is going to stick. We'll be in the mid-30s. Sunday is the day that we're all targeting. Stay aware of changing weather forecasts and weather conditions. Low 30s on Sunday, a few snow showers on MLK Day Monday, and most of next week stays chilly.